In this video, I will show you the difference between FAT32 and NTFS for bootable USB drives. For example, when creating a USB boot device using Rufus. Most modern PCs can securely boot from NTFS, so it's the better choice. Try this first. Also, if your PC or BIOS is very old, some older BIOS can only boot from FAT32 file systems. You need to create a USB boot with the FAT32 file system format. FAT32 limits you to a 4 GB maximum file size, so your Windows install image must not be bigger than that. Then the install image must be broken down into several files under 4 GB. And finally, you might have a rare BIOS that doesn't work with NTFS and Secure Boot on. You can temporarily turn off Secure Boot to install Windows and turn it back on later, or try FAT32 with Secure Boot. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.